Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be taking you guys on how to make this design pouch pocket. And make sure you watch the video to the end so you can get the full knowledge of this pocket. Let's proceed to the video. For this pocket, I'm using the regular art stay for this pocket. Then I mentioned 1.2 inches from the desired pocket I want to use. I mentioned 1.2 inches from the top and 1.2 inches from the down. Then I rule it out. After I roll it out, then we go to the size of the pocket like this as shown in the video. I use half point 2 inches for this video. I use half point 2 inches for this video and for this pocket. Then I roll it out. After I roll it out, I also measure 1.2 inches from where I marked in the first place, the down part. I roll it out to the midpoint. This is going to help us get our arrow shape. Then after I cut it out as shown in the video. Then you cut it out. Then if you cut it out, this is what you'll be having left. This is what you'll be having. Can you see the opening in the mid part of the pocket? This is what we want to achieve. Then after, you take your materials you want to use. For this, I'm making use of an Ankara fabrics and a plain materials. So for you, you can use two different colors because this is kind of a color combination. You can use two different colors, but for this, I'm using an Ankara fabric and a plain materials. Then you rule out the midpoint of it as a guideline. Then you place your gum stay on the fabrics that you are working on as shown in the video. Can you see what I'm doing? Then you place your gum stem on it to make sure then use your iron to heat it on the clothes. Then after you've done that, this is what you'll be having left. So you proceed now to rule out or to cut out your pocket as shown in the video. So if you are seeing my video for the first time, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I bring tutorial videos on how to cut, how to sew, anything on men dress. So please make sure you subscribe to the video and watch the video to the end as I have said. Then after, you make a small notch or a small hole, then you cut out half of an inch from the edge part because this is what we are going to use to turn our pocket, or yes, to turn our pocket while we are going to be sewing it, or the process. Can you see what I'm doing? This is what I'm trying to say. Notch each edges, each side. I notch it to the end of the gum tape we are using. So I notch each side. Then after notching, I open it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? I split it like this. Then after you splitting it, then you take your hemi gum. You use your hemi gum to hold down the part that we are going to open like this as shown in the video. You use your hemi gum to hold those parts down. Can you see what I'm doing? So this is what we are going to do for all sides. We are going to use your hemi gum to hold all sides together so that the thing is not going to be opening while we are going to fix the inner part, that is the one that has the design on it also. So this is what you are going to do on it. Use your hemi gum to hold all parts together as shown in the video. When making yours, just take your time to do each part very well because I kind of skip the video a little so that the video won't be long that much. So just continue proceeding with putting your hemi gum on each side of the part you are going to open. Then after, you fold your pocket all through. Then we'll proceed to the next step. If you are just seeing my video for the first time, my name is Tom Cruise. I bring the simplest and easiest method on how to sew, how to cut anything relating to male dress. I make my explanation very detailing so you can really capture all what I'm trying to say or what I'm trying to explain. If you haven't watched my videos, I have videos on my channel whereby I show how to get an accurate neckline, how to pipe a senator dress, how to make filler, the popular Yoruba cap with known as the Ashoke filler. So if you haven't watched those videos yet, make sure you check my other videos, watch and learn something, and don't forget to share. So let's go back to our video. This is me now trying to iron the pocket very well, like the size of the pocket, the side of the pocket rather. So after that, this is what we are going to achieve. Can you see in the video? This is one part of our pocket. The design is coming out very nice. Then you cut out a gum stay again for the inner. Make sure the gum stay you are cutting is bigger than the pocket itself because we are still going to trim it out. After that one, you get to the midpoint. That is the midpoint. That is the line. that is going to also help us in adding to the second part we are going to be using. So the line is what we are going to make use that is aligned with your fabric that we are going to use for it. After you've I use your iron to press the heat on it, then you cut out the pieces to the desired length we are using for the inner design like this as shown in the video. So this is what we are having. Then we're almost done with our pocket. Then you take the pocket, that is the pocket itself, you place it on top. This is how we get the design part of it. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see? So you have to, it's not going to be matching, it has to be in different color, left and right, opposing each other. Then you proceed to the machine and you sew it. You sew it. You sew the tip of it, the tip. You can see in my video. I don't know, maybe I'm going to zoom my camera now so you can see what I'm trying to say. You sew the tip of the pocket, the tip very close to the edge of the pocket as shown in the video. So you sewed it very well. You just have to be careful with what you are doing. You just have to be careful. Just take your time so that you sew at the edge of the pocket. Then after sewing, you proceed on to trim out the excess we are going to be having at the down part. After that, our pocket is ready. So this is me. After sewing it, you trim or you knit the work you did and you cut it out. So you cut out the whole edges together, the whole edges, and you cut it out. So if you want to use a probably a color tape for this, you can use it. But for this video, I'm making use of the art tape because normally I use the color tape to make my pocket. But for this video, I used a art tape for this, a normal art tape interfacing. So this is all what we have, and this is our pocket is ready. So this is how to make this kind of pocket.